All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today, I have a super exciting update for you all. Basically, I ended up picking up a Fabspeed Gen 1 exhaust with 100 cell race cats for the 996 Turbo, and I am just so excited to get this thing on. From what I understand, that car has, stock exhaust, everything. So really excited. Apparently for non-tuned cars, this is supposed to give you I think 30 plus horsepower because of the, I think the straight through design of the cats or something like that. And then for, tuned cars, especially the X50s and the, I think GT2s, they get a 50 plus horsepower gain from this. And it's, I think 30 or 40 pounds lighter than stock, which to me, I'm like, dang, that little exhaust it's 80 pounds. So I'm shook. Anyways, without further ado, I am gonna open this box up. And by the way, guys, sorry for the mess in advance. Me and Jen are just finishing up our move. You can see there our TV's still on the ground. And we have a bunch of stuff over here from our old apartment. Really excited to show you guys this. I'm just so excited. All right, waiting for the elevator. Forget how long it takes to come up here with 2 of the 3 working. No, this one's working. One of these 2 aren't. So that kind of sucks. And it was really hard to move around that. But anyways, there it is. I think the owner packed it up in an old Christmas tree box. There it is, right there. Yep. So great use of Christmas tree boxes. If you have any lying around and for some reason you're shipping a 911 exhaust, I guess just put it in a Christmas tree box. All right, we made it onto the street. Gonna load this thing up. Okay, off to the shop. All right, y'all, just dropped it off at the shop. Should probably look where I'm going. All right, guys, we are back. It is the next day, and I'm so excited to bring this car in. All right. Oh, by the way, there's Mark J's F80. Shout out to my Uber driver for the day. And there's my babies. All right, I'm gonna get started on the cold start so you guys can really hear that difference, right, between the stock exhaust and the Fabspeed Gen 1 with the 100 cell cats. All right, so again, y'all, this is from what I understand, the stock exhaust on a 996 Turbo. I mean, it's cool, right? It gets me by. I don't know if it's gonna be a night and day difference, but I'm really hoping for the best. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go start the car. Probably a good thing. It probably means I kind of let it cool down after before I parked it last time, so there wasn't some oil buildup or whatever. But yeah. Anyways, so you guys can hear it. Let me get a little closer. Not the worst sounding exhaust in the world, right? That's it. Right, so this is it, fully warmed up. It's pretty quiet. Oh no, look who it is. What's up, man? All right, Mr. Uber driver for the day. Thank you. And Marche actually told me he took off the cold start feature because he's not running any cats and there's no need to warm it up. So yeah, no cold start. Oh, damn. Yeah, Marche's burbles on this thing, by the way, are pretty nuts. Like, he has it set, I think, to like 2.5 seconds past, I think it's like 2,500 RPM or something. Can't leave you guys behind. Oh man, I just can't stop looking at this thing. It just, ugh. All right, let's go. All right, by the way, we got Bold and Brash right there. Yeah. I feel like that's so like representative of this car. The whole damn car is just, you know, well, at least back then people were like, Bold and Brash, more like belongs in the trash. But you know, now 996s are like loved, they're super appreciated, and I never would have thought of that in a billion years. All right, let's get move. All right, so you can hear from inside, it's, you know, pretty quiet, right? Yeah, little revs. Little baby revs. Oh, look, we're fully warmed up. Oops. Sorry. All right, we're going. Second gear, 3,000 RPM. You know what? Why not? Oh, is he gonna let me go? No, he's not. Okay. Little second gear pull. Jesus Christ. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow, what are you gonna ram with that thing? Hopefully not me. I am way too excited. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe not from my face, but like with how much I'm talking about this thing, like how can you not tell? Right? Alright, there's the shop. Alright, they're gonna put it up on the rack today and hopefully be done with it tomorrow. Alright y'all, we made it. Hopefully, fingers crossed this thing's done by tomorrow. I want to hear it so bad. But anyways, hang tight. Alright y'all, so the shop just hit me up and they said that the turbo's ready for me to pick up, so I'm on my way. I've been looking forward to this like all week. This has been like the only thing holding me together, so I'm gonna go check it out and start that thing up and just, ooh. Alright y'all, so we're at the shop. The suspense is honestly killing me right now. I cannot wait for this thing to be done. Like, I took a quick peek back there. The exhaust tips look good. The old exhaust is out. It looks heavy. It wouldn't even fit in the old box. So, you know, we'll see how it sounds, but I'm just want to give you guys a quick update, so hang tight. Woo! Alright. That'll be fine. There you go. All right. Okay, it's a little louder. Dope. Alright y'all, so I am in the car. It sounds pretty good. A little throatier than the last exhaust, but honestly not too crazy. I was expecting a lot more, and then I barely remembered that the last owner... Ooh. Sorry. Ooh. Anyways, yeah, last owner was telling me that can't go that way. Yeah, last owner was pretty much telling me that like that they had swapped out the stock exhaust already, and that was like some unknown random exhaust. But all right, sounds pretty good. Let's take this thing home. Okay, honestly, I'm a little bummed. Again, I think after realizing that that was not the stock exhaust, this one doesn't really sound too great anymore. Like it doesn't sound as extreme as I was thinking, but you know, we'll test it out. Only time will tell, right? So let's get this thing going. You know what? I'm gonna close my window so you guys can hear the sound from inside. Second gear, 2500. Not bad. Okay. It still pulls hard, which is good. Alright, let's hit third gear. 2000 RPM. Yeah, I don't know what people are complaining about. This is pretty quiet, honestly. Like, I don't know what they meant by, you know, it must be some like really like, it's people that are used to like a Prius or like, I don't know, something else. But I feel like if you really want something quiet, go get a Tesla, right? Go get some electric car. Let's give it a little rev. Okay. You know, I was expecting louder. I'm not disappointed. I'm not upset, I'm just disappointed. There you go. And it's yellow and it's good. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Again, this is a Fabspeed Gen 1 on a 996 turbo. Oh, with 100 cell cats, so. All right, y'all, just made it back to the garage. Mark J's joining me.
I sniff check.
He hit me with a sniff check. Honestly, it smells good, but it doesn't smell as bad as Mark J's car. Mark J's literally no cats, nothing, just destroying the earth. Here, I think Mark J's gonna give it a nice little rev. Okay, that's a little louder. You know what, maybe it's not the worst purchase in the world. I honestly think that, like, I don't know, maybe I just imagined a power gain, but it definitely sounds better when you, you know, when you give it a nice little play with your right foot. So I'm happy with that. Idling, it's pretty quiet, so I guess I could, you know, creep by places, you know, yeah, I won't get in too much trouble, but man, it looks good. It looks really good with those tips. I am not gonna lie. Well, you know what? That is it with this project here. Well, this little mod. So, thank you all for watching, for tuning in, for watching me go through this journey just to find out that I, you know, had a non-stock exhaust on there. So, whoops. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy the car. So, peace, y'all.